Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. Let's start the class. In the previous class, we were discussing about the problems on simple aggregate method, and also we solved two problems in the last class. In the today's class, let me discuss about the few more problems on the same method, that is simple aggregate method. Okay, let's start the question. Calculate price index number by using aggregate method for the following data. Okay, what are the data given? Commodities given, price in 2006 given, and price in 2008 also given. Okay, in the commodity A, B, C, D and E. Price in 2006 90, 100, 85, 72, 65. Price in 2008 80, 95, 110, 98, 108. Okay, firstly we have to identify, we have to which year take base year and which year we have to take the current year price and base year price. So 2008 the recent year, so we have to take the 2008 as P1, that is current year price, and the remaining one, that is price in 2006, is base year price, so P0. By that we have to solve the problems by simple aggregate method. Okay, let's start the solution. Okay. Solution: computation of price index number by using simple aggregate method. Okay, what are the data they given? Commodities, price in 2006, price in 2008. As I said, 2006 is the base year, 2008 is the present year in the current problem. Okay, we have to add the values in 2006. That is P0 is equal to 90 plus 100 plus 85 plus 72 plus 65 is equal to P0 is equal to 412. As like we have to add all the values in the current year price, that is 80 plus 95 plus 110 plus 98 plus 108. So P1 is equal to 491. Now we have to apply those values for the formula. What is the simple index number formula? Simple aggregate method formula. P01 is equal to sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 into 100. Okay, what is the value of P1? 491. So I taken 491 divided by P0 value, that is 412. So 412 into 100. So 491 divided by 412, the answer is 1.1917 into 100 as it is. Okay, now 1.1917 into 100, the answer is 119.17. This is the answer for simple aggregate method of the current problem. Okay, as like we have to solve the problems by using simple aggregate method. Okay, next problem: calculate price index number by using simple aggregate method for the following data. Okay, see, commodities V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, price in 2011 10, 12, 9, 11, 13, and price in 2012 9, 14, 12, 10, 12. Okay, in this problem we have to firstly identify the which year is the base year and which year will be the current year. Okay, so 2011 is the old year, so we have to take the base year. 2011 is the base year P0, and 2012 is the current year, so we have to take P1 as 2012. Now we have to add the values of 2011 and add all the values of the 2012. By that we can come to know P0 total and P1 total. Okay, let's total the columns. Okay, solution: computation of price index number by using simple aggregate method. Okay, in this problem, what are the commodities given? V, W, X, Y, Z, and price in 2011, price in 2012. As now said, price in 2011 is the base year for the current problem. Price in 2012 is the current year price in the current problem. Okay, so we have to add all the values in the previous year total, and we have to add all the values of the current year price. Okay, firstly previous year values 10, 12, 9, 11, 13. P0 is equal to 55. As like in the current year 9, 14, 12, 10, 12. P1 is equal to 57. Now we have to apply these values in the formula. Simple aggregate method formula is equal to P01 is equal to sigma P1 divided by P0 into 100. What is the P1 value? 57. So 57 divided by P0 value 55. So 55 into 100. 57 divided by 55 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1.036 into 100 as it is. Now the answer is 103.6. Okay. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.